The new version of the tungsten carbide bit for Worth includes a triple fluted head with a specialized coating that allows for friction-free use. No oil is needed when utilizing this tungsten carbide drill bit on the new borons or ultra-high strength steels. Used in the gun type welders, this 45mm drill bit in length has a flat on the side that utilizes the set screw to hold it flat and in place within the shaft of those new gun type drills. This 8x80mm drill bit from Worth is designed to drill out spot weld drills, heat-hardened spot weld drills on vehicles when removing the panels. It's an HSCO, high-speed steel cobalt mixed drill bit for long life in regular 3/8" chuck-up drills. This 8x80mm long drill bit is specialized for spot weld drilling. It's high-speed steel cobalt mix, HSCO, made in Germany, utilizing a titanium coating on the outside that is a heat dispersant that allows the drill bit to last at least twice as long as a regular HSCO drill bit. The 80mm length allows it to be used in regular 3/8" chuck-up drills. Again, designed specifically for drilling out spot welds.